It's a mock tower. I don't recall this from the last few times I did it, but it really chops your arms. The restraints are just painful and everything. But it's still a fun drop though. Maybe one of these days Josh will do a free fall, but...
One of these days, but hey, I conquered my fear of haunted houses.
That's true, so you can't do too much in one day.
Yes.
Alright, I think there's another haunted house by Fest House, so let's go that way.
Alright.
Let's see what Demented Dimensions is about. Anybody in there? Yeah. Hello? Oh my god! And they blend in. That is terrifying. Hello. Oh my goodness. Oh my. What's for dinner? That looks delicious. I love it. I love it. Oh, I'm sorry that happened to you. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, hi. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
You're not lost, are you?
No, I think I know where I'm going. Thank you though.
Don't leave, stay for a bite.
No, I think I'm good.
Thanks,
Hello. Oh, hello. Hi there. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's something behind this curtain. I know there is. I can feel it. There's something behind there. Or something. There's no way. Oh, hello. Hi there. Don't mind us. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, hi. Oh my goodness. Hello.
Welcome to Wonderland.
Okay. It's tea time. Okay. Everything like blends right in. Something's gonna jump out and oh my god, it's terrifying. Oh my god. Okay, it moves. Oh, okay. But now we're flashing. Oh, okay. Hello. Hi. Oh my god. Hello.
It's a nice book.
What you reading there? I did not know you were a real person. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so Demented Dimensions was definitely the best house here so far.
Yes.
They got me a lot in this one. Like, I was screaming like uncontrollably. They got me good a lot.
It was also the weirdest one because it felt like you were going through like different time periods and whatnot.
Yeah, there was a lot of different themes in it. I couldn't quite follow what exactly the theme was, but there was like different scenes and stuff from different themes. It was really cool though. There is one more house that is open tonight. It's called Lumberjack, and we're heading there now. Well, there's actually two right to the left of Fest House. Is the Volt and Lumberjack. We're going to do Volt first. Like, this is the regular queue line for this haunted attraction, and everything is a walk-on, except for the coasters. But I think this is kind of turning out to our benefit, because we didn't come here thinking that we'd be doing these mazes, but we are.
Yeah.
So is this where the 2021 coaster is going to go?
Sure is.
Do you have any details on that?
I have no details.
Okay.
Except this is probably the last year for these two mazes.
Oh, really?
They'll be out.
We're going to the resting grounds of Dragonfire.
Remnants. I doubt it.
Well, the station's still there. No, this is not cool.
Not cool.
This is not cool. Oh, hello.
Oh, hi.
Can I push the button? Okay. I'm sorry I pushed the button. Oh, okay, that's okay.
The nice hotel we got here.
Oh, okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. Hello. I don't think it tastes good. Okay. Let's go this way. Oh my god. What's happening? Oh god. The hallway. I don't like this. Oh, okay. I got worried. Oh, there's somebody dead in the hallway. There's somebody dead. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, that's unfortunate. Okay. Hello. Okay. 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 No. Please don't move. Something's gonna jump out. Something's gonna jump out. It's only a matter of time. Something's gonna. Hello. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're gonna die. That's very comforting. Oh no! Oh my god! Holy crap! Yeah, we're in a station with Dragonfire. That's unfortunate. Oh my god! Hi. Hello.
Oh, I like your brain.
Okay. Don't mind us. Okay, run! Okay, Volt was awesome.
Yes.
And it actually went through the old station for Dragonfire, which is cool.
Bring it back.
So, an employee was telling us that Busch Gardens is trying to put in a permit. Hi.
Oh, hey.
That Busch Gardens is trying to put in a permit for a 400-foot tall structure for 2021. That could be something.
Intamin launch?
Who knows? Or maybe the first B&M Strata.
RMC? T-Rex?
There we go. Could be T-Rex.
Yes.
Could be anything.
This park doesn't have one yet.
But a 400-foot tall coaster could be coming to Busch Gardens in 2021.
Oh man.
Stay tuned to find out. Okay, so now we're in line for Lumber Hack, not strapped to the lumberjack, and I hear chainsaws, and I don't like chainsaws, but we're gonna do it.
Oh no!
Okay, yeah, there's chainsaws up ahead. I smell the fumes of the chainsaws, but there's no turning back now, Josh. We are going. Hello.
Of course we got here.
Hey, want to join us?
Yes, I will join you.
I don't think we have much of a choice.
Oh my God! Oh my God. Okay, I'm sorry. The floor is literally like scratching underneath of us. Oh, hello. Oh, okay. Hello. Hi. Oh, okay.
No!
She likes you, Josh.
No!
I think you'll taste good for her.
No, particularly no!
Okay. Oh, okay. With the chainsaw. That is terrifying. I can't see anything. I cannot see a thing right now.
I can't see a thing!
Hello. Hi. Okay. Okay. There's stuff on the ground too. Okay. No, please don't. That wouldn't be nice. Which way do we go? Okay. Okay. Still here. Go on.
Oh, it's so sneaky. I love it. This is the way to the love boom, right?
We're on our way to a scoot. Oh my God. I'll just keep going.
He's trying to kill me.
Oh, who is he? I'm sorry, I can't help you.
He's trying to kill me.
Oh, in the shed right there? Oh, okay.
You should film the turd I just made. Thank you.
Oh, I'm sure it is. Hello. Oh, okay. There's someone there. Okay. Okay. Hi. Hello.
Oh, thank you. What?
Okay, there's somebody right there. Okay. This is for the scoot, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, don't mind us. Don't mind us. Okay. Oh, okay. They're moving. Oh, hi. Hello. Goodbye. I think we're in the clear now. Oh, no, we're not. We're not in the clear. Okay. Run!
That was the scariest one.
Yeah, that was the best one. Chainsaws terrify me. And they get like right in your face too. I mean, they don't touch you, but they're like right in your face. It's so good.
I think they almost got you a couple times with some of their instruments of torture.
And they like distract you too. Like they team play you. Like one of them would distract you, then one's hiding in a corner. They like get right in your face and scream. Beautiful. So here's another fun fact that employee told us, that this is probably the last year for Volt and for Lumberhack, because they're both where Dragonfire used to be, and that's where the 2021 coaster is going to be going. So they're probably going to be starting construction next year for the 2021 coaster. And right here is literally the station for Dragonfire. I actually had never been in it in my life until the Volt, which is pretty cool. This is the spookiest bumper cars I've ever seen in my life. Terrifying. We got a random army of chainsaws. I'm going to stay back. Don't mind us. We're not here. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Don't mind us. We're just walking past. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Hello. Please don't scare me. I'm just trying to get to my locker. Hello again. I think we're over here. I'm just trying to get into the line for Bolton, and they're assaulting us. Hello. Bye. Oh, okay, bye. It says 45 minutes, but there's nobody over there. I'm confused.
There are signs for Bolton?
No, nobody said that. Nobody. We got the wolf crossing car. Yes. We got scare actors. Hello. Woo-hoo! You're awfully excited. Woo! Okay. Trim? No trims. No trim. Goodbye.
See the headlights and that's cool.
Wolf eyes. Eyes being washed.
Here we go. Whoa. I'm hungry.
This smells good. It smells like pretzels.
I know.
Or pretzels in my beer. And my beer schnitzel. Okay.
Oh, I saw
Grab your engine, Josh. It's not working. We're not going anywhere. Oh, let's see if we can get back in line for Fair Bolton without being assaulted by chainsaws. Don't mind us. Don't mind us. Okay. We got minded. Ready to raid the Black Forest again, Josh.
Don't look back. I
look back. I'm looking back.
No. The big bad wolf, he returns for you.
Big bad wolf, come back!
got someone. Okay. I'm sorry. Hi, Wendy.
Hi, Wendy.
I love your moves. The house is on fire. Call the fire department.
Something about
I
that.
might want to do something about that. That's unfortunate. That is amazing, though. I love this production. That is so good. It's kind of eerily lit here. Hello. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. They're all teaming up on me. Hello. Okay, hi. Okay. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
I think he likes you. You too.
Oh, we will. Place go.
Oh, someone got hit. Okay. Okay, we're going through Axe Valley now. I think we're going to get a few more scares in here. This is okay. Oh my God! I forgot you were there. Someone got it. I thought there was a person for a second. Okay. All right. We're going to try doing Griffin once, possibly twice for the last thing of the night.
I guess we're gonna drop dead. Power and speed of the mythical Griffin.
Look at that.
I don't mean to drop on in.
Get out.
I can't. No.
Yes.
Go.
Yes. So we got to do a Griffin twice as our finale for the night. This has been a fantastic day here for sure.
I agree.
Yeah, this has been awesome. Like, I'm honestly tempted to come back here next Thursday because I had such a great time here. What's even cooler is that they let me film in the mazes too, which most places don't allow you to do that. I didn't know what the rule was. I just started recording the first one and no one said anything. And then I just kept recording and no one said anything, so I'm assuming you're allowed to record. It just says no flash photography in it. So, I mean, don't use flash, but it didn't say specifically no picture or video taking, you know.
An abandoned ride.
Terrifying.
Ah!
Totally. There's another one right there.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry. Oh, okay.
No.
I can't help you, I'm sorry. Hey buddy, what's up? Behold a giant pumpkin!
Up.
Get out. Alright guys, well this concludes our night at Busch Gardens. This was an awesome time.
I agree.
I've always wanted to come here for Halloween time. I always knew that they do a good job here and they definitely hold to the name. I had a fantastic time here. Just the production of everything was way better than I was expecting it to be. Even though all the rides weren't open, like Apollo's Chariot and Tempesta weren't open, but that's only because of Pantheon being built right now. Besides that, we still got a lot of rides done. Ryan from Post put it in. So we were only here for like 5.5 hours, so we got that many rides done and did every haunted house that they have here. So, awesome day, or night, whatever we want to call it.
And we were able to figure out that they might be building something quite big next year. Well, the year after that.
Yeah, in 2021, we were told that there might be a 400-foot tall coaster.
Taller than King the Ka?
Maybe. We'll see. On that note, I'll leave this video off here, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next loop. Oh, interlocking loop.
Yeah.
Interlocking.
Whoa.